Hey guys, so for today's video, what we're gonna do is we are going to fix our toilet right over there that's been leaking water. It's been like automatically flushing every now and then, so we're gonna convert it from the traditional uh, type of flush valve into a flapper one. So for this video, what we're gonna use are this pipe plier, screwdriver, a number 13 or 13mm wrench. This one comes with the kit for changing the flush valve and the fill valve, and then this one's gonna be for the flush valve gasket underneath the tank. Now I'd like to use a Teflon tape also, just in case, for those screws and nuts to like really be sealed and tightened. So stay tuned. And okay, first thing that we need to do is we're gonna turn off the water control valve over here. Then we're gonna take off this water line through here, and then after that, and before we start anything else, I'm gonna go back here. We're gonna have to drain that water over there. You can see, what am I pointing? Yep, you can use a rug or a towel to take that off, and then as you can see those 3 screws over there, we're gonna take them off, and I'm gonna show you where the nut is. So coming back down here again, as you can see, there are also 3 nuts over there. So that's where your 13mm wrench or ratchet will come in handy. You can use a screwdriver on top. So again, remember, we're gonna take this off, change it. We're gonna convert this from this type to the one with the flapper type. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use. You can use this one, the universal Fluidmaster toilet tank repair kit. This is a 2 inches, so make sure that your water valve is a 2 inches also, because there's 2 of them, the one that's 2 and the other one is 3 inches. So because this one is a little bit harder to find nowadays, so hopefully we can convert it to the flapper valve. Okay, so let us begin. Now I open this up and let's see, it says it has everything that you're gonna need. This is the tool to remove the water filler, and then this is here's the fill bulb, here's the flush bulb complete. This is what we're gonna use to convert that flush valve into a this one, the one with the flapper, and then this is the flush valve tool to remove it. Now this one is for the Kohler brand toilet tanks, and then the hose, and then for the flush handle, and then for the screws. Okie dokie, so let's do this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you hand me the other one? That one? The one with the flapper?
This one.
The instruction says you need to save this. This is gonna be the friction ring. And put it away from the holes. Okay. Okay, now let's turn this on. Okie dokie. Looks like everything is well. Flapper is there. Nothing's leaking.
And it's okay. Well, now we need to fill the
Net. Okay, let's test it. Flapper's working great. It closed automatically. Now it's filling up. And it is on the right level also. So there you go. So we're filling again. Nothing's leaking. So I guess that's it for this build. It's a good fix and I think it's holding on. Generally cost us around $24 for the replacement parts and a lot of elbow grease. It didn't take me that long, but still, you know, if you need to be ready for anything, especially when taking out an old toilet tank like this. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps, and I hope it can also help you guys. So this is it for this day, for this fix. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.